Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign in sex.io account. So if you also want to sign in sex.io account, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So sex.io is a cryptocurrency exchange and digital asset ecosystem that allows the users to buy, sell, trade and earn rewards on various cryptocurrencies. So if you also want to sign into your sex.io account, for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open sex.io application, or you can also open the website if you want. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once you open the application, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the option for creating your account and logging in. If you do not have the account yet, you can simply create the account for yourself. But if you already have the account and if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface of sex.io. Over here, what you have to do is enter your credentials. First of all, what you have to do is enter your email address over here. So simply enter the email address in the field of email. Now after that, what you have to do is enter your password. Simply enter the password for yourself. If you have forgotten your password, you'll also be able to find the option for forget password. If you tap on it, you'll be able to reset your password. But if you remember your password, simply enter your password over here. If you want to check your password, tap on the eye icon that you can see on the password field. After that, you'll be able to check it. Now, after entering the credentials, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on your screen. After that, you'll be able to log into your account. If two-factor authentication is enabled, you might also have to go through that. After that, you'll be able to log into your account. So like this, you'll be able to sign into sex.io account. So that is how you sign in sex.io account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.